Hello everyone, welcome to I.C.T channel. Today we will show you SMT handling machine center. Are you ready? Let's go! This is our standard 0.5 meter and 1 meter conveyor. This one is 2 meter conveyor, model C2000 with LED lining. Here is RC500L with flip function, usually used inspection machine. And here is our cooling conveyor SCC600 with cooling function. Here is our high-end conveyor. Model is HC800, built with more element, looks more beautiful. Our conveyor comes in 0.5 to 2 meter, and you can add options like Arabica and more cast option. This is coating conveyor CC800U, used your coating line. This is our coating lift machine, also can use your coating line. This is our mini version of loader, model is ML330. This is our standard loader, model is 460. This one loader is CE certified with safety cover, perfect for Europe. This is our standard unloader, model is U250. This is our 90-degree unloader, model is LU330. This is the CE version of the unloader. This is our vertical buffer, model is VB350. Here is buffer with cooling function, model is CVBL. Here is buffer with NG and O cable, automatic. The model is NBL. This conveyor with buckle candies. The flipping machine can be processed your both sides your boards. The model is PF350. This turn conveyor, it can handle 3-way direction transfer. The model is TC460. Here is our part warehouse, where all components are systematically stored to ensure we can better and quickly support after-sales service. For each component, entering, calling up, and leaving the warehouse, we will verify the situation with the joint department to ensure accuracy, and back up and record to the service and database, ensure delivery efficiency and the quality. This is our shipping checklist, used to verify quantity and record the electronic archive in the ERP system. All system rules optimize inventory and delivery visibility. Thanks for your watching. See you next time.